Place your taped wire against the toilet roll and roll it until it's on an angle like that. Now fold the paper away from you and continue rolling it. Fold it again. Don't worry about the paper getting wrinkled. It'll flatten itself out when it's in. See the way you keep rolling the paper away from you. Depending on what size rolls you want, I've used 5 strips.
Just hold down a tiny bit. Yeah, don't do it too quick.
Yeah. You see, so far if you only want to bud, you could stop there. Now the paper is beginning to wrinkle up. That'll happen with you too. But don't worry, it'll all look great in the end. See? You're rolling all the time, rolling the ribbon away from you. And then when you get to the end, you just fold it in there against your wire and then just tape it. Or you could sellotape it if you wish to. And give it a little squeeze, and there you are. You see, they're all different. They'll be different when you do them. Okay?